In the today lecture, we will start from image formation by mirrors, spherical mirror, image formation by spherical. In the last lecture, we have already studied the laws, basically rules, the rules which we will use throughout the formation of our image by the spherical mirrors. Okay, so let us start from the concave mirror first. There are basically this is let us suppose this is concave mirror. This is the principal axis. On the basis of this is the center and this is focus. Here we will use basically 6 positions from where the light will come from the object and the image will be formed. Let us suppose the first position when the light rays come from infinity, यानी कि ऑब्जेक्ट जब है वो infinity के ऊपर रखा हुआ है. The second position will be this one behind C, that is second position. This is denoted as the arrowhead represented by the A and B. This is represented the object. The third position here is when the object is placed at C, that is center of curvature. Now the fourth position is between C and F. This is fourth position, and fifth one is when the object is placed at focus, and the sixth one is this when the object is placed between pole and focus. सो ये 6 लोकेशंस हैं. इनके थ्रू हम इमेज की फॉर्मेशन देखेंगे कि जब लेंस के आगे जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो इन 6 डिफरेंट लोकेशंस के ऊपर रख दिया जाए तो क्या होगा, किस तरह से उसकी इमेज फॉर्मेशन होगी. द 2 पॉइंट्स दैट इज center of curvature and focus. The object is placed here. No, it doesn't mean it should be placed here, and it should be placed, can be placed here, any type, anywhere you can place the object, but it should be in between C and F. Now let us look the first position. Consider when the object is placed at infinity. जब ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो infinity के ऊपर रखा हुआ हो तो किस तरह का इमेज का फॉर्मेशन होगा. लेट अस सपोज ये अपने पास एक कॉनकेव मिरर है. दिस इज कॉनकेव मिरर नाउ, एंड दिस इज प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, दिस इज center of curvature, and this is focus. Now use the rules. According to the rules, we have 3 rules. First, when the ray come parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it will pass through the focus. And the rule number 2 states when the rays pass through the focus will become parallel to the principal axis after reflection. And the third law states when the ray pass through the center of curvature and fall on the mirror, and after reflection there will be no deviation or it will reflect back or trace same path. These are the 3 rules. So by using 3 rules at a time we will use only 2 rules. Let us suppose the object is placed at infinity. The parallel rays will arrive like this. The parallel rays incident on this mirror. The direction should be specified whenever we represent the arrows. Now after reflection the ray will be bent toward the focus, which will state in the first law that the ray will be bent in this way here, and this ray will be here, and this ray will be here. The direction of this is in this direction. So basically what is state, whenever the parallel rays come they will be reflect back to the focus and the formation of the image will take place. Now after making this type of the ray diagram we have to specify the characteristic of the image which have been developed by this. So characteristic of image. In the characteristic of image we should follow these basic rules. Firstly, we have to specify that where the image is formed. The image is formed at focus, यानी कि यहाँ पे focus के ऊपर अपनी image बनी है. Now second point is this, what type of the image is formed. Object, the image is formed as point image, यानी कि बहुत एक छोटी सी इमेज बनी है, एक पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. नाउ थर्ड वन इज दिस, द इमेज फॉर्म इज रियल इमेज, दैट इज real image, because there is an actual meet of the rays, and we know whenever two or more reflected rays meet at some point, after reflection the image will be formed of that point. Means here the 1 2 3 4 lines, 4 reflected lines are meeting at this point, so there will be formation of the image, and they are really meet, then actually meet, then we can say this is real image formation. So this is sufficient about whenever an object is placed at infinity. Now second point is when the object is placed at, this is clear. Now the second position, when the object is placed behind C, यानी कि जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को C के जस्ट पीछे रख देंगे तो किस तरह का इमेज का फॉर्मेशन होगा. नाउ let us suppose this is concave mirror, this is the reflecting surface, and this is the principal axis. Okay, now this is center of curvature, this is focus. Now and the object is placed just behind C, means the object is placed at this point. This is represented as A and this is represented as B. The tail is represented as B and the head is represented as A. Now according to the rules we have to specify only 2 points, A and B. We can use, this is the formation, this is the combination of the infinite points, no? But we will use only 2 points, that is A point and B point. Now according to the rules the first ray should be come from the top end, and this is the parallel ray, and whenever a parallel ray come in this way and after reflection it will pass through the focus, means it will be move in this direction up to infinity. This is the first ray. Now use the second rule, whenever a ray pass through the focus and after reflection it will be parallel to the principal axis, means the direction of this is it will come in this direction and reflect back in this direction. Look here, the first ray come this way and this way, and second ray come from this way, here, here and here. Now these two rays meet at this point, means the image of the A point, this one is A point, is obtained here, that is point, or say the image of the A point. So we can represent this as A dash, A dash. Now the infinite number of points here, and all these infinite points emit a ray which become parallel, and by using all these three rules we will obtain one point here, here and again we represent the points like this. Now meet all these points, this one, the image formation will be take place of the object A and B. Now this is the A point, so arrowhead here is in upward direction and here is in downward direction, that is A dash and this is B dash. This is the formation of the image by the concave mirror when placed behind C. Now what are the characteristics? First characteristic we already say कि हमें ये बताना होगा कि इमेज कहाँ बनी है. The image is formed between where C and F, यानी center of curvature और focus के बीच में बनी है. Second one is what type of the image? This is real image. This is the real image. Now third one is this, what type of image? This is small in size, यानी कि small in size वो object तैयार होगा. Now fourth point is what? The fourth point will be here as कि जो image बनती है वो inverted बनी है, that is inverted. इन्वर्टेड का मतलब है कि ए पॉइंट पहले अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में रिवॉल्व कर रहा था, अब उस पॉइंट की डायरेक्शन जो है वो डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में हो गई. मींस द इमेज हैज बीन फॉर्म इन्वर्टेड. पॉइंट 3, व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड एट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, दैट इज एट सी. जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के ऊपर रख देते हैं, मींस let us suppose this is concave mirror, this is principal axis, this is center of curvature, and this is focus. Now, rule number 1, when the parallel ray, let us suppose this is the object. Rule number 1, when the parallel ray, just throw one parallel ray parallel to the principal axis in this direction, and after reflection this will be come in this direction. Now, use second. The second ray will be passed through the focus, and after reflection it will be like this one, means the ray incident in this way, reflect in this way, and this is A point, this is B point. Now this is A point of the object and this is the B point of the object. Now the object is formed, the object is placed here, the image of this point is here at this point, that is center of curvature. So infinite number of points will emit the ray, and after reflection it will be made somewhere like this, here, 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 and here. Now meet all these points like this, and the image of the object AB will be formed. This is A dash and this one is B dash, means the image of the system of this type of the image formation will be take place at center of curvature, that is C. Now define the characteristic of the image. The image will be formed where? The image will be formed at C, that is center of curvature. Second point is the image will be formed same in size as ऑब्जेक्ट. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जब ऑब्जेक्ट को हम सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के ऊपर रखेंगे तो हमें बिल्कुल उसी सेम साइज की इमेज तैयार मिलेगी. थर्ड वन इज दिस, थर्ड वन इज रियल इमेज. देयर इज आल्सो द एक्चुअल मीट ऑफ द लाइट. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज द इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड inverted in nature. So this is the third location. Look for the third position. This is third position. Now look for the fourth. When object is between C and F. This is concave mirror. This is C. This is F, and the object is placed between these points like this. Object is placed here. Now use the rule number 1. According to rule number 1, when the parallel ray come to the focus, parallel to the principal axis, the ray will be come through, pass through the focus. Now use the second rule. When the focus से pass होगी तो वो कहाँ चली जाएगी? वो चली जाएगी parallel to the principal axis, means the direction of this ray will be in this direction, and after reflection in this direction, here in this direction, and the object image of the object point A will be formed here, that is A dash, and infinite number of points will be like this, and we meet. Whenever we meet, the formation of the image will be take place. Here is the center of curvature. Now define the characteristic of the image. First point is the object image is formed behind, see, behind center of curvature मिलती है. Second point is this image is large in size, and third point is this the image is formed inverted, and fourth is real image. So first we say at infinity when the object is at C, and third one is when object is at C, so behind C, this one is at C, and this one is between C and F. The image is formed just behind C, but the size is the magnified in the nature. Now let us look for the fifth location. Fifth location is the concave mirror, and the object is placed C. Here the point is C, and here the point is F, and the object is placed between C at F. At focus पे रखते हैं object को, and the object is placed there. This will be the object. Now rule number 1, the ray will be become parallel to the and pass through the focus. The second rule, which state when the ray pass through the focus, it will be parallel to the principal axis. But from here, we are unable to draw a line which become parallel, which pass through the focus. So use the rule number 3, that when the ray pass through the center of curvature, when the ray parallel to the pass through the center of curvature will be reflect back in the same direction. Okay, so we can use this. The ray go in this direction, and after reflection it will be reflect back in this direction. Will they meet at any point? They always remain parallel, so image will be formed at infinity, means they will be made at infinity. So just comment on the characteristic of image. First, common image at infinity, and second one is large in size, या फिर कहें magnified in nature. Third one is the image will be real image. Fourth one is the image will be, and the sixth position is this. Sixth position, when the object is placed between pole and focus. That is, this is mirror, concave mirror, and this is the center of curvature, this is focus, and this is pole. Now the object is placed here. Use node number 1. When the ray parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through the focus, that is in this way, and after reflection it will be in this way. And the rule number 2 we cannot use because the ray will not pass through the focus, so we have to use rule number 3. When the ray parallel to the principal axis pass through the center of curvature, will reflect back in the same path. Will they meet anywhere? No. Answer is no. Whenever we extend these rays in this direction, at somewhere they will be meet to each other, means there will be the formation of the image. So this will be the formation of the image at point A, and this is P dash. Now comment on the characteristic of this image. The first one is this: the image will be formed behind mirror. Second one is this: the image is magnified in nature. And third one is this: the image will be real in nature. Image will be virtual in nature, means they seems to be meet at some point. And the fourth point is the image will be erect in. So these are the basically formation of the images. In the today's lecture we study about this. Firstly, we study how the image formation by the spherical mirror. Basically 6 location has been defined for this. First one is at infinity, second one is behind C, third one is at C, fourth one is C and F, fifth one is at focus, and sixth one is between P and F. So next we study the mirror formula.